Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to my channel. I am Adele Janae, where I'm going to empower you to chase your dreams and to build your business from scratch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a profitable business with $0 with this game-changing platform called Faire. Okay, this is for people who are not trying to per se drop ship, but actually want physical product. Yes, you can make this drop shippable by adding an extra step. If you guys want me to talk about that, please leave a comment down below and I will make a separate video on how you can do that. But we're going to stay on topic today. I'm going to show you how to start a business to get inventory with $0. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen so I can show you the website. Okay. So starting a business doesn't have to cost a fortune, and Faire makes it super easy to jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey. So here we go. We are going to get right into this. The good thing about Faire is it's designed to help small businesses like you and me. It is a wholesale marketplace that connects independent retailers with unique brands and unique makers. So if you make items like candles, things like this, you could also benefit from being on this platform as well as a business owner. Faire also offers a flexible payment plan of 60 days. So it's a net 60. They have free returns on first orders with many vendors, and it's an incredible tool to help with your upfront costs, because we all know that usually most people who start businesses have an issue with maintaining inventory or getting inventory to start with, right? Some people like the drop shipping method. Some people like to actually have their product on hand, and this remedies all of it. You can browse thousands of products across categories like home goods, fashion, beauty, and more. And it is super friendly, okay? Even for beginners. I thought it was going to be complicated getting on this site, but it actually was very simple. Now, before we jump into Faire, you need to decide on your niche, what kind of products you want to sell. What are you passionate about? What's trending? What's missing in your local market or online that you've noticed that there's not a lot of? Once you've nailed that down, it's time to source your products. Now, I will say this one thing. I did have a website ahead of time, which will help. I also believe that they take your Etsy links as well, but they may ask a lot of questions. They want to see pictures of your website to show proof that you're actually selling. They also want to see if you have your terms and conditions set up, your return policy set up, things of that nature, because they want to make sure that you are actually going to do good business, right? So once you sign up for your retailer account, it's completely free. Once you're in, you have access to all of these unique wholesale products from independent brands that offer these net 60 terms, which means you can stock your store, start selling, and pay your supplier after you've made your sales. Okay. Anybody can pretty much sell something within 60 days. And honestly, now is the time to buy inventory because it's holiday time. Everybody's shopping for something. Everybody's looking for a gift for family. It even extends past January, right? Then of course you'll have Valentine's Day, and then all of the other holidays start to fall in line. So this is the perfect time to actually start selling. Okay. So you can actually search for items in your niche. Like I already have something up just to make it simple. Let me see. Of course, my mouse wants to act funny. I just went to Oak Collective. They have sweaters. Let's see what else they have. You can go click on their best sellers to see overall with different places. My favorite child gave me this mug. This is a very cute mug. It would cost you $7.50, but it retails for $15.95. So you would be able to make a substantial profit from this mug. They also show you how they package the mugs, which is also good because that minimizes the amount of stuff that you have to purchase. You can go to USPS. Actually, you can go online to USPS and purchase boxes for free. They will deliver them to you for free to your doorstep. You can also go to UPS.com and get the sleeves, the insert sleeves for free. They give you your first 50 as well. So that's a little tip too if you're worried about how you're going to package things. Now, bubble wrap is not that expensive. You can actually buy it in bulk, or you can go to the dollar store while you're getting your business up and running and just buy it as you go along. You get a little small roll for $1. That'll give you your first couple mugs. And anytime you make any more profit, you just keep going back to that store. So that's a little tip or that'll help you when you're thinking about these things. Sometimes too, when you are ordering these products, what they're packaged in, for instance, my candles, I'm going to grab it. Hopefully I can. Sorry. If it's packaged really well, there may be extra packaging in there for you. So I don't even have to buy any inserts. I can just use this. This is waffle paper. That's what they call it, I think. And I can put this in each box for each candle and make sure that it's secure, that it's not going to move back and forth, and that my product is not going to break in between here and the destination. So that's another tip too. That'll help you minimize purchasing extra stuff that you don't need to purchase right now. The whole point is to make as much money and as much profit as possible. Okay. Now, a lot of these companies do have a minimum order quantity. So this particular one, the minimum is $140. Okay. So it does say it on the website up top where I've highlighted. I also check to see the product, the description, if they have 5 stars or not. I usually go for 4.5 and above, but if it's purely 5 stars, that's even better because that tells me that that product or that store has really good quality products and it's going to sell. Okay. So now that you found an item or multiple items that you want to sell, how are we going to sell it? So I'm going to give you a few tips, which is you can pre-sell on social media. You can actually start hyping up the item and the product before you even get it in hand. And so now your customer base is ready for that item once it drops. They're expecting it. You can also host a pop-up shop in your local area. You can partner with small businesses and ask to stage at that location and sell during the day or from this hour to a certain hour. You can set up an online store like I have, and you can get on platforms like Shopify. Shopify does have free trials. You can catch them on a good day, a 7-day trial, a 14-day trial, or even a 21-day trial if they've partnered with someone that's very, very popular. So then if you get the 21-day trial, you have 21 days to not only set up your store, but to sell this product that you got for $0. Okay. And then, of course, as time goes on, and as you make on-time payments, and as you sell more and purchase more from these vendors, that creates trust, and that makes you a trusted brand, and they will give you more money. So the good thing with Faire is they will pre-qualify you for a certain amount, anywhere from $500 to $20,000. It's okay if you don't hit the $20,000 at first. Most people probably won't unless you're already an established business. But if you're just starting out, $500 can go a long way depending on what you're trying to sell at first. Okay. I started off with my sole proprietorship and got approved for $500. And that's all I need in the beginning. And they give you a deal when you first start. So I got the deal where half of my product, I got my product for half the cost. So I was able to buy more items because all of that was half off. So there you go. And I will show you one of my candles. I bought a few candles from Faire. Let's see. It's right here. Sorry, y'all. So, like right here. Oops, make sure it's in the camera. It smells really amazing, actually. I've already started doing videos. I'm going to push this on social media, TikTok, all the platforms. But I got this from a really good company on Faire. The shipping was fast. It was intact. It was actually packaged properly. And they have amazing customer service. So I will leave a link down below if you want to join. If you know anybody with a business or they would like to sell wholesale, Faire is always looking for new business owners or small businesses in general to join their platform. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building a business from scratch. I am going to probably continue this series a little more, dive a little deeper into more details. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to live, love, laugh, and smile. Have a wonderful day. Bye.